Howdy everyone, this is Grant Biden with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so now we've walked into the Pro Rosemont, and we filmed this previously, but I just want to show it off again. It's really, really cute. It's a beautiful lobby. It's got your leasing team is over here. The kind of a concierge is over here. And then let's walk through it just to kind of see what it looks like. Really, really pretty. It's got just a nice, it's kind of a resident lounge kind of area. It's got some beautiful areas here you can have a big conference, conference if you want. It's right there. And then you've got just some other cute areas to sit here. This is really, really pretty. And then you've got another entrance here, so that's pretty cool. You do also have some offices, so you're free to use these offices. That's really, really cool. They close off, and it's with barn doors that close off, so it's kind of a co-op working area down here is my point. This is a really pretty area. So that's essentially it for the first floor. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below. But now, hey, let's keep going and go on our tour.